When my guy gets home, he likes to be comfortable. And he's been home a lot lately, and frankly, his wardrobe in the house is killing our sex life. He's wearing that old ratty t-shirt, isn't he? We've gone through so many phases. Okay. All right. Yep, he looked like a 9-year-old, so I decided to get him a regular bathrobe. How could that go wrong? He looked like that creepy guy you tell your kids to avoid. And the belt he can never find. Let's face it, bathrobes for guys suck.
How are you, honey?
Yeah, I'm just,
Hey, babe, have you seen my belt?
I'm so sorry, Mom.
Just tell me when he's gone.
That's when a friend told me about DudeRobe. She saw it on Shark Tank. Super cool robe and loungewear for men. Amazing reviews and a permanently attached belt. Your only problem, maybe, it's so comfy and looks so good, he may never want to take it off. Unless you want him to.
Okay.